The first step is open YouTube and search in the music video that you want to set as your ringtone. So I chose All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. This is my all-time favorite song ever. So you're just going to click on the video, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click share, and you're gonna click copy this link. So now it's copied. Now the next step is go to Google and search MP3 song download. You're going to search for this and click on the first link that says MP3 juices. So click on that and it will lead you to this website. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna paste the music video in the search bar and click search. Now you can click download on the first one or the second one, it's all up to you. So obviously I'm choosing the first one as it is the original one. So you click on download. So it's going to come up like this. It says click the allow button. You just click back the back button and click on the download MP3. It will show this again. Don't worry, just go back to it and click on again on the download MP3 on the left side, and now it's downloaded. Okay guys, so this is the final step. What you're gonna do is go to your music and your downloaded music video is there. So it's downloaded, that's good. So what you're gonna do is click on the three dots on the right side, and you can crop this song. You can either crop this song or you can just set it as your ringtone as it is, but I'm just going to crop this song to which part that I am most comfortable with and which I personally love. So yeah guys, this is how you download your favorite music video from YouTube and set it as your ringtone. It's super easy. It's not that hard. It's not very difficult, I say. But you can pause this video and you can forward it, or you can go back to watch the exact step. So if you think this video is helpful, please give me feedback and comment down below what do you think I should do for my next video. So there you go, just set it as your ringtone and you're done.